Okay, everyone, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Monday, May 10th, 2021, and we have to talk, and I mean it. So pay attention to this video here, because as I have explained to you forever, nothing here is what it seems. Nothing. Okay. Actually, we're going to start off with that. I'm not even going to talk about the markets. I want to explain to you what we are seeing and, more importantly, why we are seeing this. And I've covered some of this in the past, but right now it is so in our freaking faces that, again, it's time to shed a little light on it. I want to talk about scapegoat economics. That's what we have here today. I have explained to you in the past that we're going to see things, and the Federal Reserve and the powers that be, the Wall Street banks, the whole freak show military industrial complex is going to do things you can't believe and things we can't even dream about just to maintain the fakery of the environment and to sell it to the masses. We understand that we had this false flag event. I covered this yesterday. A major energy pipeline got shut down because of a cyber attack, still shut down from what I understand. But of course they're going to put it back online here. But what's really behind this, people, and I've covered this before, it's about hiding inflation in energy. That's why this is scapegoat economics. People are not going to be allowed to realize the root cause of why we are seeing inflation right now. Again, it's the Federal Reserve literally running an inflation machine. I've explained this over and over again. They are issuing debt through one door, buying it through another door. It's a revolving door. And this is like a machine that's whipping up inflation, creating literally trillions of dollars out of thin air, devaluing the dollar in its current form, which is going away. And this is causing inflation here. People cannot be allowed to understand the root cause, which is the central banks, the Federal Reserve, fulfilling their destiny to become the lender and buyer of last resort to own it all. So they must inflate energy prices by any means necessary so they have something to point to. It's the same story over and over. Look here, don't look here. They're drawing attention away from the runaway central bank or the Federal Reserve, which is the real government. Henceforth, why you're seeing this distraction mechanism go on. Crude oil futures are higher right now. Imagine my shock. Gasoline futures are higher. Imagine my shock. Again, they're going to blame the rising cost of energy on it. It's inflation, because look at the price of energy. Look at the price of energy. Look at the price of energy. That's all you're going to hear. Okay, it's scapegoat economics here. And this is an issue that's going to sweep the world as central banks finish what they have started, and that is to own it all. To own it all, and they're in a race to the bottom, devaluing their currency, the dollar, none more so, okay? And this is pinching people, but you're not supposed to know the root cause, okay? So again, expect more of this scapegoat economics to get even wilder as we move forward. It's out of freaking control. All right, let's talk about this market real quick. Trading didn't start for about 25 minutes. Stock futures are mixed. You got S&P futures higher, Dow futures higher, NASDAQ futures under a little bit of pressure here. Okay, lovely. But let's look at the bigger picture. You got, again, energy futures higher. That's huge for the energy sector and the financial sectors of the markets. The banks are leveraged beyond their eyeballs in energy, crude oil. You know that. Okay, so crude oil will be propped up. Again, scapegoat economics. Period. The end. You got the 10-year yield stable yet again, and the dollar weaker. Imagine my shock. Okay, and let me go back to that real quick. Because of the abysmal could not possibly be worse. Economic news that we got last week, the Fed is going beyond supernova with regard to debt issuance, debt acquisition. They're going to keep that inflation machine running, hyperinflate their balance sheet, and that's going to vault the stock market higher as it sucks the life out of the middle class. Why? They're also creating a slave society. This is an amazing set of dynamics that are in play right now. Is out of control. The United States of corporate America, the New World Order, this new agenda, this new paradigm, this new set of rules that I've spoken about for years is here right now, people, right freaking now. Anyway, it's so crazy to me, the times that we are living in, people. It really is. And although I do point at opportunity everywhere and I see it everywhere, cryptocurrencies right now in aggregate are higher. You got Dash, my new favorite crypto, still over 400. I'm waiting for a pullback. I don't even know if we're going to get it. I would love to see this give back a little bit more before I haven't bought any more. Since I bought 2 times so far, I am definitely going to be adding to my position. Big time. Okay, I'm telling you right now. And anyway, that's my story. All this, people, you must pay attention to these things now. And you really got to focus on scapegoat economics. Look here. Don't look here. The Fed cannot be pointed out to the people. The people out there, the masses, the dumbed down freaks, cannot be allowed to know the root cause of inflation, the fact that the Fed is deliberately creating it, okay? They're not allowed to know. So they have to be distracted, as they always are. Oh, look at energy. Look at energy. That's why we have inflation. It's all being set up. I told you this was going on for months ago. And expect more of these false flag events to occur to keep energy prices, crude oil, higher. It must be done to continue to brainwash the masses, okay? Remember what I'm telling you, scapegoat economics. All right, people, look, I'm out of here. Please share this video. Let's get this out there, all right? Maybe we can raise awareness by putting a title to this, Scapegoat Economics. Explain to people what scapegoat economics is. You know what it is right now. I outlined it for you. You know, look here, don't look here. Hide inflation in the rising cost of energy and watch the headlines moving forward. Oh, it's energy. It's energy. I'm telling you the headlines before they come out, and they're going to. All right, I'm out of here. Love you a lot. Please share the video. See you later.